What's up, world? I know I look like shit. I was sick for the last 2 days, but I wanted to say this about branding yourself, okay? It's important for a bunch of different reasons. A lot of people say, oh, yeah, you know what? My company's branded pretty good. All I got to do is ride on their coattails, which is good, but I'll give you a couple little stories for perspective, okay? When I was involved with Organo Gold, a lot of times we would promote the company, the coffee, but then a lot of times I would promote my leader's success, Holton Bugs. I would post pictures of myself with him, posting pictures of his success. Well, that was his brand. So I was sharing with the world who I was connected to, his brand. And that helped. It actually had a lot of people like, wow, you're connected to them? Okay. So now what does it have to do with you? If you're branding yourself, even if it's just the stay at home mom, hustler, MLM mom, ecom mom, something like that. Brand yourself, right, as what you do. And then, and if you're an MLM, I mean, when people share the story, they say, hey, you know what? I heard about these great products, this great company. People are getting paid. I'm actually hooked up with this one woman. She's the MLM mom. She is all about MLM. She's just like us. And that's when the brand can help you take your next step up the ladder to the top money. So just a little gold nugget for you guys, multi-level marketers and stuff. You got to build your brand. Your company can have a brand, that's great, but your brand has to be first and foremost. All right, teachmehowtohustle.com. I'll see you guys on the other side. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the Teach Me How to Hustle trainings. Stuff's going to be coming out here regularly now that I'm starting to do this stuff again. I was kind of in the cocoon, just kind of sitting back in the wintertime. Now it's a little bit more springtime, so everyone's starting to spring, and that's time to go. So Teach Me How to Hustle is going to teach you how to hustle and build anything you want to build. We look forward to seeing you on the side. Like, share, comment. If you got anything out of this, share it with somebody that can help, that you think it can help. We're going to be teaching non-company specific training for basically MLM, but all kinds of ways of making money, okay? All kinds of ways of making money online is what Teach Me How to Hustle is all about. So we'll see you guys on the other side.